Hi friends, welcome you all to Think Max. We are in class 11 Max, chapter 3, Trigonometric Functions. In this session, we are going to discuss about the example problems 1 to 5. So these examples are related to the formula between radian and degree. So these are the relationship between radian and degree. Radian equal to pi by 180 degree into degree. To convert into degree, we have the formula degree is equal to 180 by pi into radians. So these are the formulas we learned in the introduction part. And the new formula is, we know that 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So just remember these two types of formula. So we will do this example problems very easily. Okay children? So shall we start? So first example 1. Convert 40 degree 20 minutes into radian measure. We have to convert this degree measurement into radians. In degree we have 40 degree and 20 minutes. Okay. Now the first step is we have to convert this 20 minutes to degree format. Okay. 40 degree 20 minutes. Now in this minutes should be converted to degree format because in radian measure we have only the value of degree pi by 180 into degree. So we have to substitute the measurement in only degree, not in minutes or seconds. So we have to convert 20 minutes to degree format. What we know? We know 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. What we need? We need to find 1 minute. So instead I am going to divide by 60 on both sides. So if you divide by 60 on both sides, you will get 1 by 60 degree equal to 60 minutes by 60. So it will be 1 by 60 degree equal to 60 by 60, it is 1 minute. That means 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degree. So this is the relationship between minutes and degree. Now we have 20 minutes. So if you multiply by 20, you will get 1 into 20 is 20. So 20 minutes will be equal to 20. So if you multiply by 20, 20 will be in the numerator. 20 into 1 is 20. So it is 20 by 60 degree. So it is 2 by 3 degree. So 20 minutes is nothing but 2 by 3 degree. So if you convert minutes to degree, it will be less than 1. Okay, so 2 by 3 is less than 1. So now 40 degree 20 minutes is nothing but 40. What is 20 degree? 20 minutes. It is 2 by 3 degree. So it is 42 by 3 degree. So this is in mixed fraction. Convert this to proper fraction. So what we have to do? We have to multiply these two and add with 2. So 40 into 3 is 120. 120, I'm sorry here, 20 by 60. 20 by 60 is 1 by 3. Okay, 120s are 20, 320s are 60. So it is 1 by 3. So 41 by 3. Now this is in mixed fraction. We will convert this to proper fraction. So it is 40 into 3. It is 120. 120 plus 1 is 121 divided by 3 degree. So we have converted into a proper degree. Now we will use this formula. Radian equal to pi by 180 degree into degree. If we need radian, numerator will be pi. If we need degree, the numerator will be 180 degree. So in this way, you can remember the formula. So it is pi by 180 degree into 121 by 3. So here we cannot cancel anything. So just we are going to multiply. So pi into 121 is 121 pi. 180 into 3 is 0 3s are 0. 3 8s are 24. Balance 2. 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 2 it is 5. So this is the value. So radian can be expressed in terms of pi. Okay. So radian can be expressed in terms of pi. If they give the pi value as 3.14 or 22 by 7, we have to substitute the value of pi and find out the radian value, or you can express this in pi value. Okay, radian equal to 121 pi by 40. So this is the solution for this example 1. So now we will move to example 2 in the next page. Example 2, convert 6 radians into degree. Okay, what we have to do? We have to convert 6 radians to degree format. What we know? Degree formula. Degree formula is we should have a degree in the numerator. So 180 degree by pi into radians. So into radians. So 180 degree by pi. What is radians? Radian is 6 into 6. So 180 into 6. I am going to multiply 180 into 6. So 0, 6 are 0. 6 8s are 48. Balance 4. 1 6. 6 plus 4 10. This is pi. So in degree, you should not have this pi value. So you have to substitute the value of pi. So it is 1080 divided by 22 by 7. So this 22 by 7 can be taken to the numerator. If you take this to the numerator, it will inverse. 22 by 7 will become 7 by 22. Okay. Now I am going to cancel these two in two tables. So 11 twos are 22, 5 twos are 10, 4 twos are 8, 0. So we have degree is equal to 540 into 7 divided by 11. Okay. So multiplying this, 0 sevens are 0, 7 fours are 28, balance 2, 5 sevens are 35, 35 plus 2 is 37 divided by 11. Now we have to find out the value of degree by dividing this number by 11. So let us start doing that. 3780 by 11. So it is taking 37, 3 11s are 33, balance is 4, bringing 8 down, 4 11s are 44, balance is 4, bringing this 0 down, 3 11s are 33, the balance is 7. So you can write this as quotient. Quotient remainder divided by divisor. So 343 7 by 11. So this is nothing but this is complete degree 343 degree. This 7 by 11 is less than 1. So if it is less than 1, we have to convert 7 by 11 to minutes. 7 by 11 degree to minutes. Okay. So what we know, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. I'm sorry. For minutes, we have only one comma. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So what will happen? 7 by 11 degree means we have to multiply both sides by 7 by 11. So if you multiply 7 by 11 into 60. So it is 6 sevens are 42 and the 0 divided by 11. Now we have to again divide this number 420 by 11. So it takes 3 times. 3 11s are 33. Balance is 9, 0. So 8 11s are 88. Again we have remainder is 2. Now it can be expressed as 38. What is the remainder? 2 by 11. So this 7 by 11 degree is 38 2 by 11 minutes. So it is 38 2 by 11 minutes. Now this is nothing but 38 2 by 11 minutes is here. This 2 by 11 is less than 1. So we should convert this to seconds. 2 by 11 minutes should be converted to seconds. So what we have? We have 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So what process we are going? We are going to make 2 by 11 minutes to seconds. So we have 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Multiplying both sides by 2 by 11, we have 2 by 11 minutes equal to 2 by 11 into 60. What is 2 into 60? 120 divided by 11. So if we divide 120 by 11, 1 11s are 11. Balance is 1, 10. 10 is not divisible by 11. So put 0. So again put 1 0 and put a decimal point. So 9 11s are 99. Balance 1. If you take 0, this is not divisible. So put 1 0. I think this is enough. Two decimal places are enough. So this is nothing but 10.9 seconds. It is approximately equal to 11 seconds. 10.9 is approximately equal to 11 seconds. So this is 343 degree 38 minutes. 2.11 minutes is nothing but 11 seconds. So it is 11 seconds. Okay. So this is the solution. That is 6 radians is equal to 343 degree 38 minutes 11 seconds. I hope you were all very good in converting the radians to degrees. So just do the calculation very slowly and you will pick up the speed and do it in an accurate manner. Okay children. So shall we move on to the next example? Example 3. Find the radius of the circle in which a central angle of 60 degree intercepts an arc of length 37.4 centimeter. Use pi is equal to 22 by 7. So we have to find the radius of the circle. Let R be the radius of the circle in which a central angle. This is the central angle. It makes 60 degree, intercepts an arc of length. This is the arc length. Okay. A, B, and this is O. AB is the arc length. It is 37.4 centimeter. Okay. What we have to find? We have to find out the radius. So what are the data given? R. R is equal to, not R is given. We have to find out. L is given. L is 37.4 centimeter. Theta is 60 degree. Okay, what we need to find? We need to find R. R is radius. Radius we will write in centimeter. Centimeter means it is radians. So we have to convert this degree to radians. So degree to radians means is pi by 180 degree into degree. What is the degree? It is 60. Okay. So if you are converting to radians, pi will be in the numerator. If you are converting to degrees, 180 will be in the numerator. Now we are converting to radians, so pi will be in the numerator. So it is 160s are 60, 360s are 180. So we have pi by 3. So 60 degree is pi by 3 radians. What we have, you know the formula? L is equal to R theta. What is L? Is 37.4. R we need to find. Theta is pi by 3. So just we can write R into pi by 3 is equal to 37.4. Just I changed the sign. Okay. Now I am going to write R into pi. So this 3 is in denominator. So it will go to numerator when we change the sign. So 37.4 into 3. So just keep it as such. Some values get cancelled. After that we will multiply with 3. So pi value is given as 22 by 7. So R into 22 by 7 equal to 37.4 into 3. Now 7 is in denominator. So take it to the other side. So it will go to numerator. So R into 22 equal to 37.4 into 3 into 7. 3 into 7. Okay. Now what is remaining? 22 is remaining. So 22 is in multiplication. So it will go to division on the other side. On the other side we have 37.4 into 3 into 7. This 22 will come to division. These two numbers are even, so I can divide it by 2. So 11 twos are 22. 1 twos are 2, balance 1. 8 twos are 16, balance 1. 7 twos are 40. So this 18.7 is divisible by 11. 1 11s are 11. 1 11s are 11. 18 minus 11 is 7. So 7 11s are 77. And the decimal point you have 1.7. So now we have 1.7 into 3 into 7. So 1.7 into 3, 7 3s are 21, 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 2 5 is 5.1 into 7. So 1 sevens are 7, 5 sevens are 35. The decimal places is before one number. So before one number. So the answer is R is equal to 35.7 centimeter. Okay. So this is the solution for this problem. Okay, clear? So we will move on to the example 4 in the next page. The minute hand of your watch is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does its tip move in 40 minutes? Okay. Instead of watch, I am going to take a clock. Both in watch and clock, we have 1 to 12. The numbers will be from 1 to 12. So these are the numbers. It will be in both in watch and clock. So to view easily, I am going to take clock. Okay. So we have a minute hand. We have minute hand as well as hours hand. Now here the work is the minute hand. So I am going to use only the minute hand in the clock. Okay. So I am keeping the minute hand at 12. We all know that the minute hand, if it moves a full circle, it will be 60 minutes. Okay. So how far does it move? It moves 40 minutes. So it comes here. So the minute hand will be at 8. If it moves 40 minutes, the minute hand will be at 8. So what are the datas given? The minute hand of your watch is 1.5 centimeter. So this length is 1.5 centimeter. Okay. So the length of this hand is 1.5 centimeter. How far does it tip? This tip move in 40 minutes. 40 minutes it goes here. So that is this tip is moving. This tip is moving and comes to the place, this place. Okay, it is at A. It moves 40 minutes means it comes to the position B. So it moves in this way. Okay, now it is nothing but arc length. These two are radius. The minute hand is radius. So radius is given. We need to find arc length L. What we need? We need this angle. If this is O, we need the angle AOB. That is theta. We need theta. So to find theta, what we know, one full revolution. So one full revolution makes 360 degree. Okay. So if it is like this one full revolution will make 360 degree. So one full revolution is 360 degree. So in this 360 degree, how much revolution takes place for 40 minutes? To go from A to B, how much revolution it takes? How much degree it moves? Okay, that's what we have to find. Now we have, if the minute hand goes one full round, it will make 60 minutes. Okay, minute hand one full round is 60 minutes. Out of this 60 minutes, how much it is moving? It is moving 40 minutes. So minute hand moves out of 60 minutes, it moves 40. Okay, so it is 2 by 3. Okay, zeros gets cancelled. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. 2/3. So out of 360 degree, the revolution is 2/3 of 360 degree. So theta will be equal to, so in full revolution, it is 360 degree. Out of that, the minute hand moves 2/3. Okay, so it moves only 2/3 of 360 degree. So it is 2/3 of 360 degree. Can you understand why I wrote this equation? So one full revolution. For one full revolution, whatever be the side, it is 360 degree. Okay, clockwise or anti-clockwise, it will be 360 degree. Okay, so minute hand for a full round, it takes 60 minutes. Out of 60 minutes, it moves only 40 minutes. That is, it moves two-third of it. Two-third of what? So the full revolution is 360 degree. It moves only two-third of 360 degree. So it will be 2 by 3 into 360. What is 2 by 3 into 360? 1 3s are 3. This is 1 3s are 3. 2 3s are 6. 0. 2 into 120 is 240 degree. Now we have theta in degree. What we need to find? We need to find the length of the arc. Length of the arc will be in centimeter. That is, we need in radians. So radians means how to convert the degree to radians. For radians, we have pi in the numerator. So pi by 180 into degree. What is degree? It is 240. So this gets cancelled. So 3 6 are 18. 4 6 are 24. So it is equal to 4 pi by 3 radians. So we have converted the degree to radians. Okay, theta is equal to 4 pi by 3 radians. What we know? L is equal to r theta. So what is r? Here radius is nothing but length of the minute hand. So r is equal to 1.5 centimeter. So 1.5 into what is theta? Theta is 4 pi divided by 3. Okay. So here 1.5 and 3 are divisible by 3. 1 3s are 3. This is 0.5. Okay. 0.5 into 2. 5 fours are 20. So the decimal is before one number. So it is 2.0 into pi, that is 2 pi. Here they gave the value of pi. So we have to use it. 2 into 3.14. Very simple. 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. So the answer is 6.2 centimeter. L is equal to, that is arc length is 6.28 centimeter. Okay children, clear? So now we will move on to the last example of this session. Example, find if the arcs of the same length in two circles subtend angles 65 degree and 110 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radius. So we have two circles, C1, C2. Okay, the length is same. So this is the length. So this is the arc length. AB, this is CD. AB and CD are same. That is L. We keep the arc length as L. This AB, CD equal to L. So arc length C1 is AB, which is also L. Arc length in the circle C2 is CD, both are L. Okay. If the arcs of the same length in two circles subtend angle 65 degree and 110 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radius. So let us keep the radius as R1 for the C1 circle and R2 for the C2 circle. So let R1 be the radius of circle C1 and R2 be the radius of circle C2. Okay. What we have the formula L, length is same. L is equal to R1. This is theta, theta1. Let theta1 be the angle for circle C1. So let us assume here, before writing this, let theta1 be the angle for C1 and theta2 be the angle for C2. So here given theta 1 is equal to 65 degree and theta 2 is equal to 110 degree. Now what we have for the circle C1, arc length L is equal to r theta. Here r is radius 1 and theta is theta 1. So theta 1 L is equal to r1 into what is theta 1? It is 65 degree. We have to find out the ratio of their radius. So ratio means if you find r1 by r2, then it will be converted to ratios. Okay. So L is equal to r1 into 65. The same way for C2. C2 L arc length equal to radius into angle r2 theta 2. What is r2? We need to find. So L is equal to theta 2 is 110 degree. So let me name this as equation 1 and 2. So what we can do? We can divide 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2. So what is have? What we have in the left hand side? Both sides we have L equal to R1 into 65 divided by R2 into 110 degree. So this L gets cancelled. So we will have 1. 1 is equal to R1 into 65 and 110 degree can be cancelled in 5 table. So how we can cancel? This is 1 5s are 5, 30. And this is 2 5s are 10. So 13 by 22. So it is 13 by 22. R2 into 22. Okay. Now if you keep this R1, now I am going to write R1 into 13 divided by R2 into 22 equal to 1. Just I changed this side. What we need? We need R1 by R2. Keep R1 by R2. What is remaining? 13 by 22. When you change the side, it will convert to 22 by 30. So R1 by R2 is 22 by 30. That means R1 is to R2 is 22 is to 30. So the ratio between their radii is 22 is to 30. Clear? I hope you are clear with all the example problems. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. Also, if you have any suggestions to improve my channel, you can comment me. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.